Instagram what you guys want me to wear. I already hung it up on my mirror. Let me check. Actually, I don't know. Anong nanalo? I checked it earlier, but I'm not sure if it's still... I suck at vlogging. Look at this angle. So number 1 has 60% and number 2 has 40%. Which is actually really shocking to me. I mean, not really, but I wanted to wear the second one because I just like the pants, but I'm still gonna bring it because I want to wear those pants when I return or when I get back. So let's get the winner. This is the winner. Let me change real quick. So I'm now wearing the outfit that you guys chose. Ito yung nanalo, yung white na crop top and then silky shorts from H&M. This is actually one of my favorite shorts ever. It's really nice. But before I leave, I'm just gonna water my... I'm not gonna water my plants because I only water them very sparingly. But this is what I do. I just mist them. And then let me also water this marble queen. So yeah. That's just what I do. And to anyone asking a room tour, I really cannot show my room right now. Super gulo. I'm still working things out. This side of the room looks okay. Like I need to sort that out, and yeah, I just have way too much shit. But this is basically what I use when I go to the beach or something. I use my kanken, and then inside I just have earphones, my Supergoop sunscreen. This is a stylus that I got from Shopee because that's what I use when I edit my thumbnails and little doodles on my video. And then you guys actually chose this bikini because I asked you guys on Instagram as well. I gave you the option to decide. And you guys chose this. Wait, ang hirap. Ganun. So I'm already wearing the bottoms right now, but I'm gonna be changing into that top later if gusto ko. And then some, I also brought that with me because I love that. More pants, more bikinis, and this is a cover-up, which is actually a dress from Forever 21. Wala ako nakapack ng panty, so BRB. Nalagay ko na siya, guys. And then here I have sunscreen for the face. I actually still have that from Siargao, and this one as well. I got these, I got the both of those from Siargao. And then, before I leave, I'm actually just waiting for Michael kasi super tagal niya. You guys, this lotion is from Honey Beauty and it's their baby bum cream. This was actually sent to me to try out as a gift. And I was actually not expecting to like this one so much. I already have the scrub inside my bathroom. I'm not gonna go get that kasi ICBA actually. And then, yeah, this is what I use on my booty. But you can actually also use this everywhere on your body. I've actually used this on my legs as well and on my elbows and my knees. Works just as good. So basically the ingredients are rosehip oil, shea butter, collagen, and niacinamide. So super cute din ang packaging niya. I really like it. And no, this is not sponsored. I would actually not suggest or recommend anything to you guys that I have not tried and tested. You know how honest I am and how brutally honest I am. If I don't like something, I'm not gonna be promoting it on my channel. So yeah, I just really love this. Yung scrub, if you guys can see, like as in up to half na siya ng bottle because I use it everywhere on my body, not just on my bum. So yeah, just a quick mention before I leave. I know this might look like they're clashing, but I actually kind of like the blue and maroon print situation going on. But for my final outfit, before I leave, I'm actually going to be going now. I just have this white top, this cardigan, because I'm not going to be wearing this on a taxi on the way to the beach, you know, Filipino. And then I just have this fanny pack from Parisian. So that's that. This has all my essentials in it, like my wallet and stuff. Again, my shorts and my bare feet. Let's go!
We're getting free, ano? Oh God.
Ate, kinong siya bula.
Oo na yan.
We're done eating. We ate bacon and bread. Carbs, basically. And they're gonna have this circus thingy every 12 p.m. I'm gonna let you decide if we should watch the circus thingy or if we should take pictures. It's been around 30 minutes since I asked you guys, and taking IG pictures won. So we're gonna take pictures. We're gonna be taking pictures here, but super dami ng tao. I'm kind of shy. Oh God. Change into the other bathing suit kasi super loose nung other bikini. And grabe yung nip slip, guys. And we're gonna be going to the bouncy thingy in the middle of the sea, in the ocean. So I can't be wearing that. It is 3:26 p.m. and we're just taking pictures and stuff.
Ay, baby mo hulog.
He's literally quizzing me about every single plant he comes across. That's still a snake plant. It's a baby snake plant. Bitaw! Making me question my plant knowledge. Do you love me? So it is now 18:38. Nakaligo na kami. Naka-shower, naka-clean up, and everything. I wasn't able to vlog that much kasi palobat na ako and ubos na yung juice ng power banks. I'm sorry if there's like missing clips and stuff, but after we ate, we basically showered and bihis na. Kami lang yung tao dito sa resort. Why? Blur kita.
Oh, I'm blur mo.
Kapoy kaya ditong blur. So we're just about to leave. I'm sorry for my wet, salty hair. But before we leave, I'm gonna wee muna. Kasi we're gonna be taking the barge home and I don't wanna be holding my pee in until I get back home. So I'm gonna pee first. And since pauwi na kami, I can use my phone to vlog. Guys, I'm back in my room. Hence the no makeup face and maputla na lips. I think I got a little bit darker, but it's now where's my watch? 10:36 in the evening. I just literally got home, I showered, and then I changed, and then I'm going to bed. This video was actually a little bit of a fail. I only managed to ask you 3 things throughout my day because I was enjoying the day, and this is why I say na banga ko mag-vlog. Kay, although I'm on my phone all the time, I don't actually pick it up to, you know, talk and stuff. I just be on my social media, you know, scrolling through shit. I think I'm gonna be ending the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Again, sorry, medyo boring, medyo fail. Like most of my vlogs are a fail. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!